Greetings. I just want to go over a couple of quick things on how to navigate through Schoology. That's what this tutorial will be. Now, just to clarify, I'm working in the browser and not the app. The browser has more features, so it is better than the app. It is recommended by the IT department that you use the browser instead of the app as often as possible to access your assignments. When you sign in, you'll be entered into the home screen. You'll see updates here on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side will be a list of upcoming assignments that your teachers have assigned. This is all under recent activity. So here you'll see, if you scroll down, you'll see something from my class. If you click on Course Dashboard, this is another way to access your classes. You notice mine are in the order that I like them already. The other way to access your courses is right up here at the top of the screen where it says Courses, so you'd click that. There is a way to rearrange that, and I'm going to show that to you now, because especially if you have courses that maybe you dropped a course, added a course, so maybe you're still listed in one and not the other. You're going to click on My Courses over here on the right-hand side under your name. And once you click that, you'll notice on the right-hand side it says Manage Courses. So we're going to reorder them. And these are the courses that show up when you click on Courses at the top of the page on that top navigation. So let's say I don't want A Push to show up anymore. I want Human Anatomy and Physiology, but I still want AP Lit to show up. So I'm going to take this one. I'm just going to drag it and drop it right there. And that's it. And you just reorder them however you want them. It automatically saves, by the way. I'm going to put an AP back. Human Anatomy, rather. And then once you're done reordering the courses, you just hit the little X in the top right-hand corner there. And then when you click on it, you'll see Human Anatomy is now showing up, and I have AP Lit. Now, let's go into the course itself. I'm going to go to Period 1. This banner here at the top is where the Zoom link will be accessed every day. So you just click on this, it'll automatically open Zoom for you. Notice it defaults to sending you into the materials. So here are the materials that you'll need. And you can do one of two things. You can either click on this little caret and it drops down, or you can click on Start of the Year Materials, in which case you can see all of them. So you see I have a few materials here. This video is going to go into the Schoology Instructions folder. Next thing I want to draw your attention to is on the left-hand side, it's called Updates. So every day I will post an update with today's assignments. And you'll notice here on the right-hand side that they're also listed. This little thing says reminders. You won't have that. That's telling me that there's things that need to get graded. Next, I want to draw your attention back to the top of the toolbar. You have these four little squares here. This is your App Center. So Edpuzzle might be one that you want to use because that is something we'll use in class frequently. You'll notice the Zoom Etiquette assignment is an Edpuzzle assignment. Next is Calendar. So I'm going to click on the calendar here. And you notice it says 4 out of 29 calendars are showing, so I can click which specific classes I want to show. So obviously it would not show my Semester 2 classes because those don't start until February. So right now I just have these 4 classes, and here you'll see all the assignments that are assigned. Now because I have 4 classes, these are due at the end of the day, this folder will be accessible to you throughout the whole semester. That's why it looks like that. So again, you would just click this and select the classes that you want to be shown. Verify with your schedule which classes should show up here. Next, you have private messages. I will be utilizing this feature. It's easier to send you a private message on Schoology because I can easily just send one to you. I have Schoology as the app on my phone, so it's pretty much what I use it for. I don't have the email on my phone. I don't have the Piscataway email on my phone. Next, you have notifications, which you'll see, like if someone posts something. For me, I also get them when students submit assignments. Over here on the right-hand side, This is where you can access your profile. So you can add a bio, you can add activities, you can add your email address, etc., etc. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.